Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can change your phone number on iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and write comments at the end of the video. So let's get down to the topic. Please open up in your iPhone's settings. Next, you'll need to scroll down until you see Phone or Contacts. Next, click on My Number. If you have more than one, let's say SIM card in your phone, then you can tap on My Number and change it. Once you have selected your SIM card, you will be able to edit it and save it. You'll also be able to change it by simply going to the Phone app. Next, go to your contact. Next, click on your image. And here you will also be able to find your phone number. Click on it or edit it. And here you can add your phone number. Once you add your phone number, click on Done. This way, you'll have added a physical phone to yourself, and you'll be able to edit it, let's say, if you need to do so still in the future. That's how you'll be able to change your phone number on your iPhone, folks. I really hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please, friends, subscribe to the channel, write your comments, be sure to put likes, and see you soon.